Yes, people, and we're back in Ochi with who? Chef Vita. All right, so we're gonna cook another nice, delicious meal. So I'm very excited to get to learn about another dish, right? So stay tuned and look what I got. My favorite mango juice. Yes, you can get it right here in Ochi. That's behind Scotiabank. Come here, buy your niceness, the food and the fresh drinks and the fresh juice and all of that. But right now we're going to cook out something. Let's go.
And another one, Vita. Let's get it. Yes, sir.
This is so yummy. This is mango and anything else? And coconut water. So good. Real fresh juice, no sugar, just natural. We're in Ochi. Yes. Good morning. People, we need some groceries. We still shit a lot of groceries. We need a couple of ingredients, so I'm following Chef Vita to the supermarket and we're getting a couple of items here. Yeah. Welcome to our spot. It is beautiful. Look at this. Oh my, I love it. So yes, so we're setting up, we're getting our stuff, set up kitchen, and then we're doing the magic, right? And then maybe I can jump into the water. Full rip spot in Jamaica, the land of wood and water. Beautiful. All right, I saw a rainy cloud. Don't rain, no rain. We have things to do.
We are setting up kitchen right here at the White River and enjoying the peaceful sound of the river. What a beautiful location. We're getting the fire ready, pre-prep the station with our ingredients and give everything a wash.
Sure, organize up everything. You get.
All right, people, so we're here at this beautiful location and Chef Vita gonna tell us what's on the menu today. All right, isn't this location lovely? Yeah. All right, over to you, Chef Vita.
Greetings, it's your boy Chef Vita. We're here in the beautiful island of Jamaica. Check the scenery, check the vibe. From you see the scenery, you see the vibe, you know the vibe's gonna be right. And we're out here in nature, river in the background. Look at that water right there. But guess what? Today we have a treat for you guys. We're gonna do a nice veggie one pot. You know what I mean? We as Jamaicans, we love the one pots. So this one is a nice one pot. You're gonna love it. It's gonna be very flavorful, very yummy. Just stay tuned and watch how we do this one pot style. All right, let's go.
Sounds good. Sounds like something I can manage. So one pot, like what's the ingredient?
Yeah,
kind
so in the one pot we're gonna have brown rice, we're gonna have coconut milk, we're gonna have herbs, we're gonna have everything, mixed veg, all of that. All of it's gonna be a very colorful one pot.
Hey!
So in one pot, anything you got, you just put it in it and just cook it up, and voila, you have something. So it's a very easy recipe for everyone.
We'll go right into the cooking, people. Yes. At this point, I also want to mention that Chef Vita has an online cooking class where you can book on Airbnb experience. Yes, so if you want to learn.
Oh, man.
I didn't catch the dancing part.
Yeah, so book your session at Airbnb experience, you know what I mean?
The bunks. All right, so he has an experience online on Airbnb. I'm gonna leave the link in the description below. So if you wanna book your booking class with Chef Vita, just go to the link and book your session. All right, but now we are here and we're doing a one pot. One pot sounds something like, yeah, easy, healthy, and good stuff.
Onions, you don't know, the mushrooms. We're gonna put some oil in the pot. to kind of actually saute the mushrooms, the onions, the spices, and the herbs. So when you saute all of that to get it golden and get it ready now, and then your sweet pepper, your carrots, you just want it to get that little burn, that little, you know, color, little flavor to pop, make the sugars pop. And then after that now, you come in with your coconut milk, your spices, your pepper, you know, your brown rice, you know what I mean, all of those different things that are going to cook down in that one pot, you know what I mean. But you just want to get that mushroom little sauteed nice and ready. So we're just gonna do some mushrooms right now. So we're adding all our chopped ingredients to the pot to get all of those sugars let off in all those flavors, all of that goodness. Remember people, it's a nice veggie one pot, so you're getting all of these vegetables. This meal idea is a great meal idea for people that are a bit lazy, don't want to do anything major. You just want to just throw things in the pot and just get over with it. You know what I mean? You're feeling like a grumpy or like a, you know, you want to get them munchies.
This will lift your mood.
Right.
This is a good food. So we have here the broccoli, carrot, sweet pepper, mushroom,
you know what I mean?
and sprouts.
So what we're doing right now, we're making all of this sweat. While it's sweating and all of the natural sugars just let off, we're going to actually add our seasoning. But before we add our seasoning, we're going to add some seaweed, some nori seaweed for, you don't know, for that fishy flavor. We're vegan, so we don't eat fish. Nori, this is what they use to make sushi. So so you can add some of that to your meals. So this is a good seafood substitute for vegans. And we're gonna add that to it.
Yeah, I never thought of using this nori this way. So you can get it in Asian shop. Dried seaweed, nori. This is what we're using.
We're gonna add some salt. That's some turmeric. And this is the Vital Special seasoning. Can't tell. Can't give it a secret.
This is not fair. How are we gonna try this at home and we have only half of the seasoning?
We'll have to come to the Vita Airbnb experience to get the exclusive. Book your seat anytime.
See here, people.
That. All of that colors, everything just sweating at the moment. And in this segment, some fennel seeds. It's nice flavor, so we add some fennel seeds. And then
Alright, so we have salt so far, cayenne pepper, turmeric,
yes, and Vital Special seasoning.
Vital Special seasoning. The scent is very nice. I cannot guess it, but I'm not sure. It smells very good.
Alright. With all of the veggies and all the mushroom is actually getting golden, all the natural sugars have been exploded. We're going to go right now and add our water. simmer down nice and ready, you know, catch the hand movement, you know what I mean? You have to catch them technique here, you know. So all of this right now does a simmer down nice and easy by the riverside. All of that coconut milk, all of that goodness, catch the hand movement. You know what I mean? You have to catch the, hey.
Yo, you look like Kung Fu now.
Oh,
yeah.
Yo! Hey, don't play with this, you know, one pot style. Alright, you don't know we're gonna add the rice in right now, people. Stay tuned.
So now this the goodness, the brown rice go right into it. So beautiful. The butter bubble. We are waiting on the rice to cook. Yes, and then the pot is ready. And of course, I'm so hungry. I left out early this morning. Didn't get to eat no breakfast, so this is gonna be breakfast and lunch together. Yeah, look at this beautiful place. Warm, warm, warm. So nice. And this is the final product of our one pot, and it looks so delicious. Look at this. Yummy, yummy, yummy. It's the perfect, easy, healthy, quick recipe where you can do at home, and I cannot wait to try this. Look at this. Oh, and the mushroom, people, once there's mushroom in there, it always gives it a special flavor. So I really love how Vita used the mushrooms in this dish. Yes, and of course we have our little scotch bonnet in there to spice it up. People, I'm just ready. Let's go, let's dig into this. Woo, woo, woo. It just looks. Let's go, let's go. All right. People, I'm just sorry you cannot be here, but you will just have to trust me on this one, all right? Let me try and see what Vita, Chef Vita did. This is good. Yeah, man.
One spot style.
This is very good. The mushrooms, just
Very
adding that
meaty,
flavor,
yeah,
meaty
yeah,
flavor.
Yeah. And really good for non-vegans as well.
Non-vegans, even if you eat meat, this is a nice dish. Very complete, a lot of vegetables, and it reminds me of risotto. Yes. So if you know, you know. Italians, they know. It's a nice Italian dish, but this is so yummy. Oh. I love it. All right. How you like your one pot?
Oh man, shot. Shot. Flavors, coconut milk, The seaweed, everything just steady, like the mushrooms.
Right.
It's a vibe.